Welcome to another Weekends in my garage, and we are getting ready to install these two Anker Solix F3800s, and I have from TriStar Electric.
Hi, my name is Yasser.
Yeah, so you're going to take care of this for us, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So what's the plan?
The plan is we're going to install a sub panel right next to the main panel, and we're going to install a transfer switch right under the sub panel. We're going to take up to maybe 12 circuits that are going to be powered by these what you call it batteries, and we're going to take some circuits out of this panel, put them in the sub panel, and then we're going to take a feed from the main panel to feed the transfer switch, and from the transfer switch I'm going to run some conduit to run the feed that's going to feed the sub panel.
And I have to give you a list of the 12 circuits that I want to have
Correct.
as part of the backup.
Correct.
Fantastic. So you mentioned was it cutoff switch, or what's that switch called?
The transfer switch.
Transfer switch?
Yes.
So the transfer switch is actually the Anker Solix smart panel, which is what he's going to be installing. It's a smart panel that automatically switches over as soon as there's a backup. So literally in 20 milliseconds, it will switch those 12 circuits over, and will continue to have electricity in the house.
To be powered by the batteries.
But to be powered by the batteries.
Yeah, when you lose power at the main panel, what the transfer switch does is automatically, has a locking mechanism that locks the power from the main panel. If the power comes back, so has like a locking mechanism to transfer, the power from the batteries to the sub panel.
Gotcha. All right, so I'm gonna get out of your way and let you guys do what you do best, and I'm gonna let the video run. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have to take your shoes off. You could have left your shoes on.
I was wearing shoe covers, but the bottom got roughed up, so.
That's okay. It's fine.
I got
It gets cold down here. You can put your shoes back on.
I appreciate
I'm okay with it.
If she's okay, I'm okay. Thanks a lot, guys.
Mhm.
Let's see.
Here you go.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So here's a list of the switches now. Hopefully this is 12.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have a level?
I don't think I do.
So you're using a Siemens box as opposed to the box that was given, and the reason why you're going with the Siemens box is because of to match the circuits that are in the main.
Correct.
Gotcha.
You have one in the van.
I got one here.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show. Let's see if I have my pencil in there.
So have you done installs like this in the past?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
But not for batteries. It's for generators.
Obviously, yeah. Mostly
And they're
it's the same
It's
thing.
the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing. The end point is just different.
The input is different.
Yeah, one is
So
gas.
is this power solar power?
Yeah, so we'll get to that later, but inside of the smart panel, there is a input to connect a solar array.
Mm-hmm.
So if I choose to, which I actually have the Anker Solix PS4100 400
Mm-hmm.
portable solar panel, I can set this up outside, run the wire
Mm-hmm.
straight to it. It'd be a very long wire.
Yeah.
and charge the individual units, or I can go directly to the panel.
To the panel.
Right. I can go either way.
So for how long the batteries last?
See, that's the interesting part.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I don't know yet.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what, after we hook all this up, then there's going to be testing involved, and through the testing, I'll determine whether I need to add additional expansion batteries to go on top. Now, if I need to get expansion batteries, then I'll have to get expansion batteries. But it depends on, obviously, when you load everything up, what we're pulling in.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing too with this is, for me, which is important, is I just really need like a day. Around here, in Maryland, our infrastructure is pretty solid.
Yeah.
So if we get,
You're not gonna be without power for a week.
no. Anything is like a day. So
A day,
maybe.
2. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm looking at a maximum, say 24, 36 hours.
Yeah.
If I can get that out of this, and probably I have to turn back some things,
Mhm.
not run certain things.
And you're not gonna be using everything at the same time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the family just have to go without lights,
Just for one day.
Exactly. Leave the stuff alone.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the goal.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, in preparation, I tried to clean up some of the wires, like the cable wiring was over to the right, and I said, no, this has got to go. So I just, if you can see, it's been moved and tucked away, so you guys have clear.
No, it's perfect.
Excellent. Yeah, there's a lot of videos out of people installing these, and they're all. And by the way, everyone, you have to have a licensed electrician to do this.
Licensed and insured.
And insured.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because if you're doing this yourself, you're risking a chance of you blowing up your house.
Someone experienced.
Yes. So definitely have the professionals do this, because that is the key. And most of the videos you see are folks who are licensed electricians. Yeah, I reached out to a couple of other vendors,
Mm-hmm.
and they were talking about replacing that box,
This box.
all the way. Just replace it with, I guess, maybe a newer set of breakers.
It's in pretty good shape.
Well, that's what I thought, but I don't know. I mean, I'm not an electrician.
Yeah. No, it's in pretty good shape. Very clean.
Okay, good.
Especially we're adding a solar panel. You have more spaces in the main panel.
Right. ahead, go for it. Tell me what's going on.
So I'm going to start moving some circuits from the main panel to the sub panel. So we have the heat pump and the AC unit. These two are going into the sub panel. So then we have the fridge. That's 10. Upstairs bathroom. So you have two furnaces. Are we putting the two furnaces in the sub panel?
Can you fit? Can it fit?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one is going in there too. Washer and dryer. Dryer. Second home office. Microwave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got appliances. Family room. So we're not putting the disposal in the sub panel, right?
Correct.
Washer. Bedroom number 3. Okay, this is the master. Master bedroom. I'll confirm this one. So we got 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe one more. Home office. So the washer is off. What is this? The garage.
Oh, yeah.
So you need the door.
Yep. Yeah, that's a good one.
So this is the garage right here. I think so. I have to confirm it.
All right. So what's the status? Where we're at now?
We're all done. Ready to turn the power on to the transfer switch and the sub panel.
All right, let's do it.
So the transfer switch has a button to, like an on and off button. All right, so you hear that click, and so we checked the voltage already. All right.
Excellent. I'm hearing stuff turning on.
And we checked the voltage already, by the way. We got
Okay,
240 volts going to between the two hot legs, the two ungrounded conductors, and 120 from hot to neutral and 120 to hot to ground.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent work, guys. Excellent. So next thing is I gotta what do I need to do, because I gotta actually program that thing, don't I? Yeah, I got the application. I got to download it,
the app.
get it online,
Yep.
and then see if I can see what's going on.
Yep.
Okay, excellent.
All we have to do is close it up and put, label the sub panel.
All right, while you guys are closing it up, I'm gonna get this thing online and get this app working. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, this is the finished product. Thank you, TriStar Electric, and thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yasser. Thank you, Yasser.
You're welcome.
So we have everything set up. Right now we're doing a system test of the smart panel, as everything is connected to the two Anker Solix F3800s. Nice clean installation. Thank you for watching another Weekend in My Garage video, and I also want to say thank you to TriStar Electric for doing a fantastic job of installing the Anker Solix F3800 as well as the Anker Smart Home Panel System. The next video will be coming out next week. Will feature the application and how I'm configuring the entire system so I can take full advantage of the backup as well as time of usage. So until then, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you and have a great rest of the week.